let's do it, but with the jet engine. I may have forgotten to mention that the first car was just for reference. This is the real experiment.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, it's going way faster.
It literally knocked a bus over. Oh, wow. It's in the side of the bus.
How does it keep doing that?
Hey, Jimmy.
Yeah?
You can't park here.
For our next experiment, we have 1 billion Orbeez. That's a lot.
We're gonna drop Tariq's car from this helicopter to see if the Orbeez can cushion the fall. The only problem is, we haven't told him yet.
Can I borrow that camera real quick, too? What do you think that is over there?
Yo, that's my car. Wait, that's my car.
See this iPad? This is your car in the parking lot.
I literally just parked my car earlier today. Minutes later, a helicopter just picked it up.
Yeah, your car, baby!
Yeah, if I know Jimmy, he's just gonna lower it nicely.
Oh, really? Move it higher, move it higher.
This is crazy.
Keep going. A little higher. Right about there, that's good. 3, 2, 1.
No. Hold on.
Drop the car.
Bro, that was a perfect landing. That was better than me parallel parking that car.